Hello everyone. This time we're gonna look at a simple integer programming. Okay. Let's look at this problem here. Um, a certain fire station serves 7 districts. Okay. The village wants to determine where to locate the fire stations so that the response times to residents in all 7 districts is no more than 8 minutes. Right. So now this is the response times here. This is like the times, the response times um, to the district. So this two here means that if you have a fire station from 1 going to 2, it will take 2 minutes. Okay, so these are times. Okay, so if you have a fire station from 1 going to district 3, it will take 10 minutes, and so on and so on, right? So we need to know how many, where to locate the district, the fire stations, in which districts to locate the fire stations, so that all 7 districts will be covered in less than 8 minutes. Okay, so we could go with this. I'm just copying it so that I can make something up clear faster. Okay, now this will be my decision variables. Okay, so I'm gonna um, color this. The decision variable here is a binary, right? Whether or not you have a fire station in district 1, district 2, district 3, all the way to district 7. So this will be binary numbers. And then here I want to put something in here. Given the values of this, I want to create something that says that 1 is being served or not within 8 minutes. Yeah, 2 is being served or not within 8 minutes. So imagine this. Imagine that if you have this fire station in district 1, then how many will it serve, right? So it will serve obviously district 1. It will serve district 2. Okay, within the 8-minute time period, it will serve district 1, 2, 4, 5, and 8. So I want to make a function. So we'll say equals this times if this one is less than or equal to 8, then 1, otherwise 0. Okay, there. Now I do intend to drag it down, so I'm gonna put a $sign here. There. So here, okay, this is just an example here. So if you have a fire station in district 1, then it will serve district 1, 2, 4, 6, and 7. Yeah. So I need to come up with something here that says whether or not the district is being served within 8 minutes. Yeah. So when I say equals sum, okay, and I want this to be greater than or equal to 1. And I want to minimize the number of stations. Okay, so it's just the sum of this. You see that? So imagine if I have station 1 and a fire district in station 1 and station 2, and a fire station in district 1 and district 2. You see this? Right? So if that happens and nothing else and nothing else in the other district, in that case, you'll see that, okay, you'll see that this district here is not being served. District 5 will not be served. Yeah. Okay. So if you have station 1 and fire station in district 1, district 2, so district 5 will not be served. You see this one here, because coming from station 1 or station 2, it will take more than 8 minutes. So we need to know where to put this fire stations. So now we can go to data solver. Okay, what's happening there? Oops. So I'm gonna reset this. Okay, so now I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna go with solver again. Now this time we want to minimize the number of fire stations. Okay, we want to minimize the number of fire stations by changing this. This is the decision variable here. Okay, and we want to add the constraint that, okay, we want to add the constraint. Where did it go? Okay, that first is that this one must be binary. Okay, and then this one has to be greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Okay, we should just do that. And then we click solve. Okay, so solver found the solution. Okay, so this should be greater than or equal to 1. Okay. And you want to minimize this. Okay, so that, obviously that's not a good answer. So we forgot to, should be minimized. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this one first. Okay, so here's the solution. The solution is to have a station in District 5 and District 6. Okay, so yeah, District 5, if you have a station in District 5, which one will be served? It's gonna be this, this, and this. Okay, so it's gonna be 3, 4, 3, 5, and 7. And then if you have station in District 6, okay, this one here will be within 8 minutes. Yeah, so having only one station in 5 and one station in 6, you're able to cover all the 7 districts within 8 minutes. So that's how you do a integer programming. Thank you.